irrigation. You see, it has a very sophisticated sprinkler system.
Are you volunteering to do a spot of work in my garden?
All in her garden, she want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work. Up on the side, she want me to. All in her garden, she want me spend time. Enough long hours and real overtime. She don't even care rainfall, sunshine. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not in my blood. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not in my blood. She want me to get in the fork and turn it to soil. Take out the waka and see if it won't oil. Sharpen up the clippers and trim the front head. Check the outdoor tears and rub them with flesh. The rocks got moss, bring the chloro, rotate the caustic soda and scrub the plant pots. Get door hanging, don't bust a fuse. We gon' hurry, we gon' get some all in her garden. She want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work.
Woo. Yeah. Good afternoon, right here. This is Joshua. I have to give y'all something special. Because I got to tell y'all, I am the gardening specialist when it comes to wetting. I'm the irrigation specialist. So, look, no matter today I'm doing a quick thing. I'm showing y'all setting up a raised bed, my raised bed. So this is a quick tour I do for y'all in my garden. I ain't really get nothing much as yet, but now I will get some stuff. So I'm going to set my raised bed. Or mixing it up, I get in the soil what I tell you about. The soil. So I'm mixing it up. Booyah! There you go. Here we go.
That's my blood. All in her garden, she want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work. Up on the side, she want me to. All in her garden, she want me spend time. Enough long hours and real overtime. She don't even care rainfall, sunshine. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not in my blood. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. But let me tell you something, darling. I want you leave out the minors that too hard to pick. Leave it to me, girl, I got a big stick. Sorry for the ones that your husband can't eat, but anything you give me, I know it's gonna be sweet. Pick all the cherries before they turn red. Get the fertilizer, spread it on the base. Screw on the nozzle and turn it on your head, or roll the hose and spray it on the base. No, man. It's supposed to be only a 4% increase.
Sophisticated sprinkler system.
Are you volunteering to do a spot of work in my garden?
All in her garden, she want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work. Up on the side, she want me to. All in her garden, she want me spend time. Enough long hours and real overtime. She don't even care rainfall, sunshine. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not in my blood. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not in my blood. She want me to get in the fork and turn it to soil. Take out the waka and see if it won't oil. Sharpen up the clippers and trim the front head. Check the outdoor tears and rub them with flesh. The rocks got moss, bring the chloro, rotate the caustic soda and scrub the plant pots. Get door hanging, don't bust a fuse. We gon' hurry, we gon' get some all in her garden, she want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work. Up on the side, she want me to. All in her garden, she want me spend time. Enough long hours and real overtime. She don't even care rainfall, sunshine. Once I roll up my sleeves, it's time to make room. I got the miracle word to make the flowers full bloom. When I land inside your yard, it's nothing but working. Sit back, relax, and just hear the birds chirping. Turn the branches, sow the seeds. Let the plants pull the weeds. I just make sure fertilizer stronger to ensure that my cucumbers grow longer. Maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not to my blood. I am the maintenance man, landscape specialist. When it comes to vetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. Love to get my fingers in the mud. It's all about the garden, not to my blood. All in her garden, she want me to work. Down by the back, she want me to work. Up on the side, she want me to. All in her garden, she want me spend time. Enough long hours and real overtime. She don't even care rainfall, sunshine.
Alright, thank you. So, Joshua Macey, FarMacey gardening tip. So today I didn't show you no gardening tips, but I did give you tips. If you focus on it, you saw the tips. So what I did here is I set up a raised bed. I add my mud Then I add some compost, which is vegetables, egg peel, you know, my stuff. I just put starch water and some rice. I don't really like to put cooked food, but I do put cooked food at a lot. And after I put my manure is made up of cow manure and chicken litter. But you can see it's compost. It's completely dark and rich and compost, and it's nice. So I'll leave this for a few days. Let the nutrients run in my soil. Then I'll plant. So just remember, I am the garden specialist. When it comes to wetting, I'm the irrigation therapist. And when it comes to fetting, I'm the wine specialist. Edio, this is Josh Macey for FarMacey Garden. And if you are looking for cow manure, link me. I know somebody could get it for y'all. And Tuesday! Remember your boys, plant ninja, bounce.
Pick all the cherries before the turn red. Get the fertilizer, spread it on the base. Screw on the nozzle and turn it on the head. Or roll the hose and spray it on the base.